The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the past 24 hours, the Russian armed forces have continued launching attacks by high-precision long-range air-based armament at the military control and energy systems of Ukraine. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. In the Kupiansk direction, the enemy made attempts with up to 2 motorized infantry companies to attack the Russian troops' positions in the direction of Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic and Bersama in Kharkov region. All the enemy attacks have been repelled. Artillery fire and active actions of Russian troops annihilated more than 20 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored personnel carriers and 1 car. In the Krasny Liman direction, the enemy attempted to break through the defense of the Russian troops with a reinforced motorized infantry battalion close to Novosadovaya in Donetsk People's Republic and Torskoye forestry. Russian airstrikes and concentrated artillery fire from pre-prepared lines inflicted fire damage on the Ukrainian units. About 70 Ukrainian personnel, 3 infantry fighting vehicles, 7 armored personnel carriers and 3 pickup trucks were destroyed. In the South Donetsk direction, the enemy attacked the Russian positions with the forces of 2 company tactical groups, reinforced with tanks, in the directions of Novomikhailivka, Nikolskoye and Slavnoye of Donetsk People's Republic. Artillery fire stopped and dispersed the hostile units. More than 40 Ukrainian servicemen, 7 armored fighting vehicles and 4 cars were destroyed. In the Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, the enemy with a reinforced motorized infantry battalion failed to attack the Russian positions in the directions of Bruskinskoye, Katikatki, Koshara, Sukhanovo and Ishchenko in Kherson region. All the attacks have been successfully repulsed by the Russian troops. The enemy has been driven back to its initial positions. More than 90 Ukrainian personnel, 3 tanks and 8 armored fighting vehicles were destroyed. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes eliminated the Ukrainian command post close to Novotavrichnoye in Zaporozhye region. Ukrainian units near Novaya Kamenka, Petikatki and Novaya Kaluga in Kherson region, Yampol, Novoukrainka and Kirovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, Izumskoye in Kharkov region, 67 artillery units at firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 167 areas. 5 Ukrainian munition depots were annihilated near Kupiansk-Uzlovoy and Dvurechne in Kharkov region, Trifonovka in Kherson region, Torskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and the city of Nikolaev. An oil terminal storing diesel fuel for the Ukrainian Armed Forces military equipment was destroyed close to Alexeyevka in Dnepropetrovsk region. A fuel depot was eliminated near the village of Smela in Cherkasy region, where more than 100,000 tons of aviation fuel for the Ukrainian Air Force was stored. In the past 24 hours, air defense systems shot down 15 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles close to Staritsa, Ishchenka, Borozenskoye, Tokarevka in Kherson region, Lubimovka in Zaporozhye region, Yegorovka, Staromayorskoye, Blagoveshchenka in Donetsk People's Republic, Verkhnya Duvanka, Kuzemovka and Ovorotnovka in Lugansk People's Republic. Moreover, 6 projectiles of the American HIMARS MLRS and 1 HARM high-speed anti-radiation missile were intercepted close to Kakhovka in Kherson region and Svatovo in Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 325 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,323 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,997 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,517 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,720 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continues its provocations aimed at creating a possible technological disaster at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. During the day, the artillery of the armed forces of Ukraine fired more than 30 artillery shells targeting eastern outskirts of Energodar and the territory adjacent to the nuclear power plant. The strikes were carried out from the Ukrainian-controlled areas of Nikopol and Chervono-Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. The hostile firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counter-attack. There are no casualties and destruction at the station. The radiation environment remains normal.